To begin with, to say in a very simple way, linguistics is the scientific study of language, and it studies how language is put together and how it functions. So linguistics is the general study of a language, and in other words, various building blocks of different types and sizes are combined to make up a language. For example, sounds are brought together, and sometimes when this happens, they change their form and do interesting things. Phonetics and phonology. Words are arranged in a certain order, syntax. And sometimes the beginnings and endings of the words are changed to adjust the meaning. That's called morphology. Then the meaning itself can be affected by the arrangement of words. That's called semantics. And by the knowledge of the speaker about what the hearer will understand, that's called pragmatics. Linguistics is the study of all of these fields. You can say fields, aspects, components, parts, etc. So like other branches such as syntax, morphology, and semantics, phonetics and phonology is a branch of linguistics which deals with the human speech sounds. It is a study of the description of speech sounds such as vowels, monophthongs, and diphthongs, and consonants. This is also called monophthongs or monophthongs, and this is called diphthongs or diphthongs. So all this division comes under this phonetics and phonology. So there is further difference between phonetics and phonology, but they go side by side for their better understanding. In this subject, we study the sets of phonemes and sound patterns, dynamic as in connected speech and static as in isolation. So words pronunciation is changed when they are spoken separately and when they are spoken in connection with other words. That's called connected speech. Expertise in phonetics and phonology enable researchers to describe spoken languages which are not yet documented, thus providing very important for language documentation and language description. You can say after important chance, opportunity, because the documentation of the new variations of languages is made possible through the use of phonetics and phonology. Similarly, it is an important field for typological studies and for cross-linguistic comparisons and generalizations in terms of sound systems and their classifications. So phonetics and phonology, basically they deal how we speak the languages, and we will discuss further aspects of phonetics and phonology. If you like the video, you can press the like icon, share my video, and you can also subscribe to my channel. Meet you soon with the new video. Till then, Allah Hafiz and bye bye.